Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your SoundCloud account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your SoundCloud account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in soundcloud.com like this and hit enter, and let's accept all these cookies. And now to log into your SoundCloud account from the home page of SoundCloud itself, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in, and after that, if you wish to continue to registration on the SoundCloud with your Facebook or your Google or your Apple account, you can click on this button and you'll be redirected or logged into your SoundCloud account or the SoundCloud platform with your Facebook or your Google or your Apple ID which you have chosen. Or if you have already created a SoundCloud account, you can directly click over here and continue with your email address like this, or you can simply write your username you had registered on SoundCloud. For me, it will be the Gmail itself because I remember my Gmail properly. And let's enter with the password. And after that, after entering your password, you can see the sign in button available over here. Either click over there or click on enter, or if you have forgotten your password, you can see the don't know your password option available over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your password of your SoundCloud. Now let's log into our SoundCloud account and let's close this. And you can see my username is on the top right corner of the screen, which means that I have already logged into my SoundCloud account. And there guys, this is how you log into your SoundCloud account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.